Hello, guys. Hello, top series. I'm sorry. I got stuck in this new. They change always YouTube. This is the worst thing about YouTube is that always they change. They change without notice. I just find out that they change everything. So thank you very much, top series, for staying 15 minutes or more with you guys to wait for me. Thank you very much. Now, to be quick, I don't want to have a big or 2 hour thing, maybe 1 hour or so. I have a question from a student for many years, and he told me, Karim, why speculation this year? It means you always have your own strategies. You work always with the same strategies. Why do you add another strategy that it is not the same as before? Hello, Adolfo Del Rio. So I will tell you why. You know, I know about speculation, and I have read about speculation and speculator before. Okay? Hello, Wiseman. So, speculation is a form of trading, but it is longer than trading. Okay, sometimes it takes too long. It could take 1 year, 2 years, until 3 years. It means it's like hello, Fabian. It's like between investing and between trading, but it is trading. Why? Because we are waiting for something to happen, and then we make money, and then we exit the trade. So this is it for speculation. Now, as you can understand, as we said, speculation is a form of trading. So it is a trading. It means you buy a stock in order that you get money quicker or the fastest way, and then you sell it. So we are not going to we are not going to stay for like investing. Okay, I will let you know what's really the difference. So Adolfo Del Rio said that speculation is value in trading. No, it is not. No, it is not. I will explain, Adolfo. Okay. Now, in my own strategies, okay. In my own strategies, I don't use, okay? I don't use company information. So, in general, I don't go to check for the news or to check for something else. I don't. That's why some people, Haradal, hello, I am new to the channel. Thank you very much, Haradal. You can ask questions and I will answer later. So, as I told you, speculation is a form of trading. It's between trading and between investing. So it's in the middle. Most of the time, let me before explain my strategies first. My strategies are based on the chart. I don't use any other information from outside, like company information, like what the analysts say, what the media said, what CNN or CM or Bloomberg or whatever website that you are looking for, or people. I don't look at that. I have never looked at somebody when I am trading. When I am trading, I just have the chart. I have my own criteria. Okay? I have my own criteria. I buy the stock according to my own strategy from the chart. Okay? I do the search first with the criteria, and then I go to the chart. Okay? And then when I find a stock that meets my criteria, I buy it and put stop loss, either physical stop loss, it means I put the stop loss, or I know where I exit if it's not working. And then I will wait. If it is good, I will wait days, weeks, months. It could be 1 month, 2 months, 6 months. Like our trades right now, I am in 4 or 5 months stocks trend. Now, why I stay too long, like 4 months or 5 months? Because the trend is still giving me money. So I will not sell until the stock finishes going up. It means it will go down later and it will have a downtrend. Okay? So this is basically my strategies. Now, let's speak now about investing before we go to the middle, which is speculation. In investing, you should look for the company itself, for the fundamentals. You should see if this company has a future. Any company that you think. Okay? A company that has a future. That it is good in competition to other companies. Because why I choose this company and I don't choose the other company, which are in the same industry. Why? Okay? Why? Why is that? It is just because I think that this company will have more money, more earnings, more technology, more customers than the other company. That's why I choose it. And this, it will take years. It's not as you can see, it's not something something that it is like a quick, like in 2 days, 3 days, the company will make money. No, as you know, it will take many years, especially when the company is small. You find companies that are $10, $20, $100, $200, that they are small. Okay, small, which we call, for example, medium capitalization or small capitalization. Okay, these companies can become big if they succeed to do business, because all the basic of investing is that the company is becoming bigger and bigger and bigger in real. Okay, for example, if you take in the past, if you take the big companies like Google, like Apple, like Tesla, like Amazon, okay, before they were like the $2, $1, $10, $5, $7, $100. See, for example, Amazon right now, Google. You see that these stocks are big. Now, why they are big? It's just because the people, they like these companies because they grow faster and faster, and they continue to grow. That's why the people, they put their money in. Now, if one day one of these companies collapse because there is another company that it is better than them, you will see that the people will begin to sell to that other company and begin to buy a new company. And this is what happened always. Okay? باكيتو صحة كريم عيش من شافك راني هنا يا أخويا. So as I told you, investing is about the company, and you should do your research. Okay, you should do your research about this company. See the competition also. It's not just someone tells you, oh, this company is good because it does this and this and this, and it will be. This is not a stupid idea to follow. You should see the other companies. Are the other companies are better than your company? Try to see the history. Try to earnings, especially earnings and income. Okay? This is investing. You are investing. Warren Buffett, who is one of the best investors in the world, he tell us that's why he said, if you want to invest, think about 20 years. 20 years is a long time. Okay? But this is his belief. Now, why he say 20 years? Because you should give your company time to develop. It's not just today. You see, they think someone thinks that this company. You will find it a lot in advertisement. Oh, this company is the new. This company is the new Tesla. This is the new company of Google. This is the new company like Amazon. Buy it now. This is stupid. Do not buy this advertisement that you see always. You should do your research. It takes time. It's not easy to find a stock or to find a good company. So take your time and do it. Okay? So Bassan, good evening. Nasa, it said I could not see live show on your channel. I missed 20 minutes. No, you didn't miss anything because it's like 5 minutes to 10 minutes we begin. I was struggling with this YouTube a new studio. They changed it again. I want to do it very, very quick, but this time it took me 15 minutes to figure out how to do the live. They always messed up with this thing. This is one of the worst thing in YouTube. They always change things without. I don't see any reason why they change. It gives me nothing. It's the same as before. So we have spoken about my strategies, that it is based on the chart. It has nothing to do with the company, with analysts, with what gurus are saying. No, I just see the chart, I search, I find the stock, I buy it. It goes up, it's good for me, I make money. If it goes down, I get rid of it according to my risk management, and then I find another one. So I'm not basing myself on outside of the chart. Only the price that I see, the chart. Investing, I told you, it has to be related to the company, competition, and other stuff. Maybe you know better than me in investing. Okay, so for me, if I tell you a secret. In terms of investing, I have only a thought about Facebook when it was small. Okay, Facebook, when all the people were against it, I was with Facebook and I like Facebook very too much. And Costco, one of the biggest and nicest retailer in the world, and both of these that I put my intention on them, they were right. That's it. I don't invest that much, and I am not related to investing. Okay, so now in the middle, let's see what is this speculation. So someone said speculation is value trading. No, it's not value trading. It has nothing to do with value or something. Speculation, it is an information that you know about a company or about a sector or about the market that can happen soon. I have given you an example before when I am speaking. I have given you a clear example before. Although for me, I felt there is bad thing will be coming. But for me, I don't do nothing. I did not speculate. Although I have a feeling of trader that something bad will happen in the market, and all my students, they know this. So on the 21st of February, I sold all my stocks on Friday, and I left 2 or 3 stocks to Monday. Then on Monday, I sold all my shares in all. And this, I have explained that I don't feel well with the market. Something will happen. Something bad. Because at that time, coronavirus began to show up, and we have a lot of cases. And, in February 21st, we just begin to have thousands. Just the beginning. But I have never felt that there is something bad coming. Never in my life. Okay? Never. Now, this speculation is based on a fact that the market might collapse. It's just because of this new thing. We have never seen in our life. For me, I have been trading since 2010. And from 2011 until now, I have been successful in trading. I have lost no year. All the years, even 2018, I have made money. So, I don't speculate. It means that I have never get an idea to speculate on something. Although I know, for example, about the energy 1 year, 2 years, 3 years ago, when it began to fall, I see it, and I show to my students, and I say, guys, energy sector is collapsing. You can buy puts or you can short stocks, but I didn't do. Although I know this is a fact in the market, especially when you see the thing collapsing. Now, 21st of February, this is a verified trades. So, for example, somebody tells me, this is everybody. Everybody said that I sold, that I bought, that I do. Where is your proof? Can you show us verification? Yes. Verification there is in my subscription. Anyone who doubt, he can just go to my subscription, like silver or golden. He goes to the 21st of February, which is Friday. When I make the videos, I said I have sold almost all my stocks. And on Monday, I will see. On Monday in the market was a gap down. I will show you just a few minutes to understand that this is something you can rely on, but it is not. It is not a sure thing, because there is no sure thing in the market. I'm telling you. So don't speculate and you think that you are right always. Sometimes you speculate and you will be wrong. So I will just show you. Okay. Okay. Now check. This is the Dow Jones. If I tell you that in this day here, this day that you see here, this day that I put the vertical line, it's 21st February 2020. Okay? I sold almost all my stocks in my trading account. Now the market was excellent. So you ask me why? What makes you think that the market will collapse? This has nothing to do with the chart. It has to do with a fact in the market. In all these days, the number where is 27 January? Let's say here. Yes, 27 January. Let me see this. Yes, here. This is 27 January. This is the first case here. Just to show you very big. This is the first case here of coronavirus in USA. So what did Trump do? When he see the first case on the 27th January, he blocked the airlines to China. So no Chinese will come to us and no plane go to China. He blocked. Now from 21st to 21st February, it means 1 month, we have thousands of cases. So the stock market begin to show doubts that there is a problem coming. Now, what do the people? I sold here. I sold. Okay. Normally, according to my strategies, I will not sell. I will sell on Monday. But I do, as a precaution, I sold on the 21st of February, and I left 2 stocks or 3 stocks on Friday. They were good. I left them, but on Monday, here, on Monday, 24 February, the market has a gap down, as you can see, gap down, and I sold all my stocks. And then here I begin to sell short and to do inverse ETFs and so on. So let's make a summary of this, just to explain. Okay, guys. Now, there are a lot of hedge funds that speculate beginning from the 27th of January, because we saw Europe, like France, Italy, and Spain. They have thousands already of cases of coronavirus, and it's widespread. China, it has like 60,000, 70,000. It was a pandemic in China and in Europe. So we think that we are safe, but coronavirus comes to us because the airplanes were open, and the French, the English, the Chinese, the Italian, the Spanish, they come here like visitor or business, or they come, they meet people, so they contaminate America. So understand, Chinese that come from China, they live here, but they go to visit their friends, or they have business in China. In terms of business, we have a lot of business with China, or with Europe, with the whole world. So America is open to everyone. So, hey, Alan, Thomas, I will answer your questions when I finish developing the subject. So, there are a lot of hedge funds, a lot of big traders. These things, no one will talk about it. It's just speculation. No one will talk to you about speculation. Like he gives you an information with millions of dollars. No one will talk. But forget about these people that in January or February they say, "Oh, there is a correction. There is a correction in the market. There is a correction." These people, 200 years ago, each year they say there is a correction. Yes. One of the years we have a correction. They say, "Oh, they didn't tell you? They didn't tell you that there is a correction in the market? But man, each year you say there is a correction. Why 10 years there is no?" So it means these people, they just go against the people in their thinking. Okay? But for me, I know some information, but I have never used them, except for this year. With coronavirus stocks, I have showed mini stocks. We have bought mini stocks this year. After the downtrend in coronavirus, downtrend of coronavirus, when we have the bad news, and then the market stops going down, and then it begins to go up. I bought a lot of stocks, and these stocks that I bought, they are in our trading account. You can check them. And whenever I begin to buy stocks, I tell them, okay, the market has stopped going down, so there is a reverse. So there is a trend up is coming. I see it. I show it to my students. Now, when I do this training, I show you what's going on in the market live. It means when I see something, I make a video to my students, and I show them. Most of my students, I don't think that there is a student who has not made a lot of money this year. Because now I think we are at 100%. 100% from 21st of January. Although we have the bad thing in February to March, 2 months when it is so bad, when all the stocks have been going down, we have bought stocks, we have sold short, we have done a lot of stuff. But later, the market redresses and we make a lot of money. Okay? Now, this is one of the speculation that I told you. Speculation, you speculate, it is an idea that it begins with a human being, like what do you say, Homo sapien. Homo sapien, it means it is an old idea used by trader of merchandise, of horses, of gold, people, they see the market, and if it is like gold, when it is going so down, there are a lot of traders who speculate. They say, okay, the market is going down for gold. Gold will go up later, 1 year, 2 years, 5 years. So what they do, they buy all the lows. They buy all the lows. They buy 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. And then when the market is going up, it will be all profits. So this is a kind of speculation. Okay? So speculation is based on facts in the market. It's not based on, it could be based on one company. It could be based on, let's say this year with coronavirus. This is my strategy. I made my strategy in March and I apply it in April. And all my guys, they have seen stocks. We bought them and we have made money from them. Most of the stocks that we have bought, we made money from them. We have a lot of gap apps. That's why when I say a lot of gap apps, which is excellent this year. Okay? A lot of gap apps. And still, from August to December, there will be other gap apps in other stocks because the situation stays. And I think in my perspective, there should be good news because almost we have bad news. Sometimes we have good news. For example, a cure to coronavirus, a good test. Sometimes a company that says, oh, there is a good test, about 1,000, they succeed and no one dies. So this is the news. So you see almost all the stocks, they go up into gap apps and people will make a lot of money. Just this few weeks, one of the guys, he bought a stock from 10,000, he is getting $40,000. One of the guys, he buys another stock at 7, it goes to $60. $60. Understand, guys, this is because of the news of this coronavirus thing. Okay? If another company make a cure and it is available to people, this company will make a lot of money. That's why the people, they go and buy it, just buy it because of the news. But I don't buy because of the news. I should buy before the thing happen. But you should wait. Because this is speculation, you should wait. And you should not put stop loss. There are some techniques that you should do. Okay? And there are some times where you exit the trade because it's no more good. You should exit. You forget about your speculation because it doesn't work. So speculation, it doesn't mean that it is a sure thing. And anyone who is telling me there is a sure thing, I told him clearly, please unsubscribe from my subscription and go elsewhere. If you are sure, go elsewhere. Do your stuff yourself. Don't come to me and to learn, because you learn everything and you know what will happen in the future. For me, when we do speculation, it is not that the market will react as we wish, but it is a fact that we have bad news. It's a fact that we will have good news. Okay? But when or which stock, we don't know. So these things are called speculation. So you can develop a speculation about anything. Okay? For example, in 2008, 2009, the best people in America, the best people are the people who bought houses in 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011. Because the market has collapsed. A house that it is 200, now it is 100. A house that it is far away and old, it was 50,000. Now it is just 15,000. 15,000. You can take from your 401 15,000, you buy the house. After 5, 6, 7 years, 15,000, now it is 70,000. Okay? So understand that this is a speculation. Speculation is you have an idea and about the market that it is correct. For example, 2008. Where is the collapse? The collapse where in the housing thing. Excuse me. So, guys like Alan Thomas, Johnny Huven, and LG Brand 500, I will answer your questions. Please just write your questions, okay? Just write your questions. I will answer you. Now, as I told you, so any one of you, if you want to make a speculation on anything, for example, the mask that we use to protect ourselves, our nose and our mouth from this virus, some in Amazon, they have bought thousands and thousands of masks. And they begin to sell and they make a lot of money. So this is a form of speculation. Vitamins. All the vitamins you go to stores, you don't find them. Okay? A lot of products. In March and April, you go to some stores, you don't find them. Okay? So you understand this is a form of speculation. But speculation is something old. It's not just related to trading. But the traders, since they trade, they come up with ideas. These ideas are based on something that's happening in the market or in the economy, because it is a health issue. Now we are in a big pandemic. America is the first country in cases and deaths. So any good news about cure, about vaccine, will be very good to some stocks. These kind of stocks will soar. I'm telling you, a guy from my friends, from my students, he just reported to me that he bought a stock and he showed it to me. $7. The next day, it goes to $60. 60. Okay? One guy, he buys a stock at $1.55, $1.55. It goes to $7.45. You see that? These are kind of stocks that are related to not just when we say penny stocks. Penny stocks this year, they were very, very active. It's just because of this news. Okay? So for me, this is the first time I make a speculation strategy, and I make an ebook, and all my students, they see it in practice. And we were successful to some extent. We bought some stocks, but there is one stock that I don't say we regret, because for me, I don't regret stocks. We bought it at 14, we sold it at 30 or 35, but now it is 135. Maybe some of my students, they don't sell, and maybe they have made those high percentage. Okay? So understand, guys, that this speculation is based on a fact in the economy. It could be in a company. Okay? Let's say a company is making a cure now and the FDA approves. If the FDA approves this cure to coronavirus, this company will soar in the morning. You find the company is $10 tomorrow, maybe you find it $100, $200. Anything can happen, because this is why the news are good. But you will never know when. So please don't tell me after the news you go to buy. Yeah, but most of the time you will not. You will catch maybe something, but you will not catch the big deal. The big deal is to buy before and to wait. Okay, it's like fishing. It's like fishing. Speculation is like fishing. You should put your fish, you throw the bait, and you wait for the big fish. So you are not going to make 2% or 5% or 10%. This is not speculation. Speculation when you got a lot of money from a stock. Okay? So basically, when I talk about speculation, I told you in my life, I did not. This is the first time I make an ebook or strategy about speculation, specific speculation, because maybe this next year, the other year doesn't work, because there is no, the environment in the economy has changed. Okay? So understand, guys, that this speculation can change. Okay? Yes, one of the students, he put NVAX. Yes. Oh, okay. So guys, if you are a trader, you should always think about speculation, but understand that always try to think wisely, try to think logically, that speculation is a form of trading. It is based on facts in the market or the economy or a company or whatever. But it is not based on analysts. This company will be like Amazon. No, this is not speculation. Don't buy blindly. Buying blindly without knowing the company, or you don't know, are you trading or are you investing or are you doing speculation? Please, since I have explained very, very clearly the difference, please don't mix these things. I will repeat. The normal trading is based on price and chart. Some they include volumes, they include the whatever thing they include, or indicators or whatever. Technical analysis. This is trading. This is what I do. This is what you do. This is what other people do. Speculation is when you buy thinking that something will happen in the future according to information that you have now. I have given you an example of 2008 when the market collapsed. Everything collapsed, especially the real estate. So if you are going to buy a house, that is the year that you buy the house, because interest rate is going too much down and the houses are very, very down. And a lot of people have made especially the people with money. They have made too much money in these years, because all the people they sell their houses, and those houses that they don't sold, they stay in the market. So the bank will lower the prices until they go down too much. It's your opportunity to buy. But if you don't buy because you are scared, or because you don't understand what's going on, you are not a speculator. Even if you have the money, you see this opportunity coming, but you don't. Because even if you have a house, you can take 10,000 or 20,000 or 50,000 from your 401k or whatever you or your investment, and you can throw it in a house. You can buy a house and you can rent it. You make a passive income. So you understand? So you should do the opportunity when it comes. And this no one will tell you. Okay, stop thinking that some people are having ideas and they just give you the ideas at the same time. And you say, oh, these people are giving free information. They don't give you free information. This information is with money. People, they sell this information because it's valuable. They see something that other people, they don't see. That's why before the coronavirus hits America, people, they begin to sell short stocks. When 21st of February or 24th February, the market begin to go down. These people have made a lot of money because they sell short. They buy puts for 2 months or 3 months, and the puts have been becoming so big. Okay, you will have high percentage. You buy something with 1,000, after 1 month, you will get 10,000, 15,000 from puts, from calls, from puts when the market was going down. But you should be quick. It's not you wait 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, and then you decide. You are not a trader. A trader is when there is an opportunity, you should jump on this opportunity without speaking to anyone. It's your business. You see an opportunity, you do. You don't want to until someone tells you online for free, oh, this can go up, but it's over. If it is up and the trend is up. If someone right now tells you, oh, Apple has made a lot of money this year. Yes. But you should tell us when it is down. But for me, my students know. And I challenge anyone that he says, no, I don't know. Because in the subscription, I put the video, he watched the video, and I speak always. Especially after when we are doing selling short, people looking at me doing selling short. And I told them, if you are scared, don't trade at all. Wait until the market redresses again. Some people, they trade, they buy puts. Some people, they sell short. Some people, my students, make money also from the downside. When it is the reverse, I say, guys, buy. Now, if you want to buy like me, or you buy other stocks, it's no difference. The whole market is going up. So you just follow the rules. And if you buy a stock, it doesn't go up, it's not good, sell it. Buy another one, because it is a bad one. So it's not, you are not in investing. You buy and you hold for 1 year. No. We are buying to see if we bet on the stocks. Sometimes almost all the stocks are going up, and some stocks they don't. Like the energy sector. You can remember energy sector when I told you 6 months ago that this sector is going down. It's no more good. So guys, I told them, guys, if you have energy sector, please check. The sector is going down. Just see your stocks. If they're going down, sell them. Some they do. Some they say, oh, it's an investment. What is an investment? Everything is going down. You will, like for example, let's say you have bought ETF of Dow Jones. Just an example. You won't just at the end, for example, of January or February, before you downside, let's say you bought ETF of Dow Jones and you say, I will invest for the long run. Guys, do you understand that Dow Jones is still down from the high? So you are losing money if you bought at that time. I will just show you very quick how trading is better than investing. So you see here. Now let's say in this month here, you see that the market, all this here. So this is the first coronavirus. Now let's take this coronavirus. So I will show you all this. Okay. Let's say you see the big trend and you bought here or there. Or let's say you buy at the end here because the market is strong and the people, they say buy, you are buying. Let's say you buy here at the top at 295 because the market can continue to go up since we don't have coronavirus. So coronavirus comes at the end of February to March. It's only 1 month. It's only 1 month as I told you. Okay? So this is 27. Let me see. Yes. This is 27 when America announces the first coronavirus case in America. And I told you that Trump has blocked all the airplanes to China. So China, no one is coming from China and no plane go to China. And then he did Europe and then England and the whole world later. So in this period, let's say you bought here. Let's say you bought on the high, which is 295. If you are an investor, the whole market collapses and goes up again. But it is 274. Now you bought, for example, at 295. So you are losing money. But if you are a trader, here you sell short, here you sell short, you make some money. But you bought from here, you have been making a lot of money. You see how trading is excellent, is better than for example, than investing. Okay. Now let's continue my explanation. Now since we have talked about these coronavirus stocks, let's give you some stocks. I know my anything that some stocks that we have traded this year, I will show you. I think we have done a lot. Okay. So, NVAX, I will show you where we bought it. We bought it here. Now, guys, now it is 170. Just the other time I see it 135. It's still going up. This stock is a monster. Is a monster. We have bought it. But for me, I bought it. We bought it here. Around $15, $17. So it goes up. I think from 15 it goes. We sold it here. I think we sold it at 50 or 54 after the gap up and the stock goes up. Then it was going down. Then I sold it. Now why I don't wait? Because I have been into other stocks, so I shouldn't go and leave it go down. No one knows where it goes. And then the big thing has begun here. See, in 15th of June, from 51 to 170, it means around 310%. Okay. Now these stocks that we are following, There are a lot of stocks that we, I think one showed me EBU of my friend. Yes, one of my friends was here. Okay, he was here. This is what I told you. He bought it at one here, like here. He bought it at 155 here, but he bought it at many times, and then he was here at 723, 745 is the highest, and he sold it when the stock is going down. Okay, so there are other stocks. I think alt. We bought alt also. Yes, this we have bought it here, alt. But we have the good trend here, and then when it's going down, I sold it. But later it comes back so powerful. But understand that when you are here, you see this gap up. It was so big. If you go when we bought alt, ALT. If you go to my chart on these dates here, it was so cheap. On April or May, if you go and check when we bought it, I showed it to you when bought it. We have 210%. Okay, 210%, and then I sold it. There is, I think, I don't know if it's called Inu or no. I have a lot of lists of stocks. So maybe in the future my students will tell me the other stocks. I don't remember all of the stocks. And we have some stocks. Let's say I give you just an example. I just give you an example of Apple, for example. Apple, we bought it here. We bought it at 245 in this section here. Okay, so now it is 444. We are still in. We got this gap up. We are still in, and I'm still. Okay, and the other, see how good is the trend. This is what I'm looking for. This is what I like. It's not because of Apple. It could be any stock. Any stock that you stay many months. For example, here, March 23rd, March 24th. But I don't know when I bought it. I should bought it here at the beginning. Here. But if you go, you can find where I bought it. So, as I told you, this is the kind of stocks that I like to see. This is the trends I am following. Because when I get all the money in the trend. I get everything. Not like some people who bought here today. Tomorrow it goes up, he sold, and he say, I am a trader. This is not trading. This is not swing trading. This is not. So you will never make money like that. Okay? But when you make 100%, for example, this, you make 100% or 80% or 70% for each stock. You are making a lot of money, and this is what we are looking for. Okay? Now, let's. I think I have finished explaining all this stuff. This time I don't want to make a very long live. Okay, so I will just go and answer your questions. Please, if you have some other questions, please ask. So at least I will answer all. So, top series, you say, hello Kareem, hello top series, Adolfo Del Rio, hello Kareem, Wiseman, hello Kareem, good evening, Fabian, hello Kareem, thank you. Adolfo said, speculation is value trading. No, listen, there is no value trading. There is no. Value, which means you are speaking about these stocks that makes dividend. Well, trading is not investing. If you are a trader, you are not thinking about dividend, Because dividend, any stupid person can get them. Just today is the stock is $100. They give you 5%. You stay after the X dividend day. The stock you find at 95 after from 100. They take $5. Next day you find it 95. So they send you this $500 like earning like a dividend, but it is from the stock. So in general you are not making money. So trading is not about dividend. We don't do dividend in trading. Dividend is just they cut from the price. So it is your own money. They don't send it from the company. I have made how to buy dividend stocks. This is for investing. And I have a lot of investing ebooks for those who are interested to understand investing very, very well. I have a very simple thing, very simple ways to buy, to do, and what to expect, and when to sell, when to buy, and the other stuff. Okay? So, Haradol, he said, hello, I am new to this channel. Thank you very much, Haradol, for coming. And if you have questions, you can ask, no problem. Nasa, hello. I could not see live show on my on your channel. I missed 20 minutes. No, you did not miss anything because 15 minutes I tried to figure out. YouTube has made the changes to the live, so it was not like before. I did like before. I find everything changed. So you miss nothing. باكيتو صحة كريم عاش من شافك. راني دايما هنا يا سي محمد، راني دايما هنا ودايما فيسبوك وراني ندير فيديوهات والدنيا مقلبة. Sorry. Basan, good evening Karim, good evening Basan. Karim with M. Alan Thomas, do you think the market has or is going to correct soon? So listen, I don't predict the market. I don't. The market is strong. I am holding stocks that are having a trend. I am not following the market what it does in general. Just I look, I see where the market is going. But the most important thing, I look for my stocks. Are they doing good? Yes or no? Before I am looking for the market. Because what makes me money is my stocks, not the general market. General market, the Dow Jones or S&P 500, you look at it seriously because it shows you the mood of the market. Now, if the market is collapsing, I can see it. I sell my stocks and that's it. And I begin to sell short. So why you are scared of the market when it go down? You sell your stocks and you buy puts, you sell short. So what's the problem? Why you are scared? Since you are trader, you are making money both ways. Going up, you make money. Going down, you make money. If you are an investor, you should not think about the market like this. Investor, you should hold for many years. So the market is good, the market is bad. It's not your problem. Okay? So you should see what you are doing. Are you doing trading or are you doing investing? Or are you doing speculation? Each one has characteristics that are different. So don't mix up investing with trading. And you are scared about the market. Oh, the market will collapse. Oh, I am scared. Why you are scared? The market tomorrow, Monday, it goes down. There is a collapse. You can sell your stocks. That's it. If it continues to go down, you should do the opposite thing. Either you buy puts, or you sell short, or you do inverse ETFs for indexes. Yeah, you do whatever you want to go down with a downtrend. Okay? Now, Johnny Jovan, thank you very much, Jovan, for coming again. How you doing, boss? How are you there in North Carolina with the disaster? Now, I am not living near the sea. I don't see any disaster. I'm not following the news. I'm telling you the truth. If some rain comes here, I see it, but I don't follow the news. That's why I am not in this world that you are in. I am in another world. I don't care about whatever happens. But I will check. I will check tonight and see what's going on into the shore, because it's the beach side. Those people who are on the beach, they should be worried about what's going on. Okay? LG Brand 500 say, "Hi Karim. What would you say is reasonable return in year for you swing trading strategies? I understand this year is an exception." Now, why you said this year is an exception? Why? It's not an exception. If the year in the whole market is good, you can make a lot of money. But understand, you are not competing with anyone, man. You are not competing with anyone. The most important thing is trading is to make money in the good year and the bad year. That is the if you make money, whatever you make, it means you are not losing money. That's a good thing. Don't see what the other people do. Don't see the S&P 500, because most of the people they see S&P 500, those are investors. Investors, most of the time, they get the same as Dow Jones, because they have the average of many stocks, and all the stocks have dividends, so they are heavy stocks. They don't move that fast. But you are not an investor. If you are a trader, your performance should be better than Dow Jones and S&P 500, but don't stress you out. Don't stress you out. You are here to make money. How do you make more money? The more you understand the market, the more you have rules, the more you control your account management risk. The more you control, the more you make money. The more you understand the market, the more you make money. It has a relation with how good are you with the market. Your techniques, your strategies, are they good in this market? Because the market, for me, for example, I have many strategies. When the market is going down, I have other strategies what to buy. I sell short. I have strategy on how to sell short. Trading, for example, training level 11. I have another strategy with indexes, whether the market is going down or up. So understand, guys, that don't be scared of the market. If the market is going down, you should make money from the market. You are not an investor to hold a stock and it's going down, and you are losing money, and you begin watching. This is an investor because he can't just sell on the low and buy on the high. So he will be a loser always. Okay? So you should understand who you are and what you are doing. And there is a psychology in this. Don't stress you out. Don't be scared of the market. The market is just people who are trading. You should follow these people. If they go up, you go up with them. If they sell short, you should sell short, or you exit the trade and you just watch them what they are doing. If you don't know how to sell short, you should exit when the market is troubled. Like the month in coronavirus news, from 21st February to 23rd March, the market is collapsing. Either you buy puts, you sell short, or you sell your stocks and you watch. You don't know how to sell short, you watch. Don't go against the tide. Understand? And if you are scared, you will never be a good trader. You should never be scared of the market. The market is just people are trading. If they see the market is going up, they buy. Tomorrow, the market people are selling, they sell short. That's it. It's so easy. In the essence, trading is like a democracy. You should follow the majority wins. The majority wins, so you should be with the majority. You should not be with the minority. Okay? But how? It's techniques, it's strategies, it is the chart that you should see. Okay? Not everybody is selling and you are like the hero of the market. You are buying. You are buying where hedge funds and mutual funds are selling. And you are buying. They crush you. And then you begin crying and you say, oh, it's Wall Street who take my money. No, Wall Street, they don't take your money. It is you who give them your money for free. You see your stock is going down. Instead of exiting, you give them the chance to sell short more. It's the investor who gave the chance to short sellers to make money. Okay? So that's, you should understand the market. That's it. Now, the market, you cannot understand the market in 1 day or 1 month or 2. You should follow strategies. You should practice on stocks. You should see the indexes. You should see, for example, the sectors, the industries. You should check all that. And for my training, there is everything you need to succeed. As a trader or as an option trader or as an investor, I have techniques, strategies. So you should try to learn by bit and practice until you make money for sure. Now, here, why I say sure? Because you are a good trader. You don't miss these things. When the market is going down, you see it. How can you don't sell short? You are waiting 1 month and then you decide to sell short. This is stupid. So you are not a trader. Or someone convinces you 1 month and he says to you, oh man, sell short. Sell, buy puts. 1 month? It's from the first days. 1 day, 2 days, you see everything is red. So you jump and you sell and you buy puts. Even if the market will go up again, it's okay. It's okay to lose a little money because you bet on stocks. Trading stocks, you bet on stocks. Investing, you bet on companies and their success in the future after 10 years or 20 years. This is the bet you do. You might succeed, you might not succeed, because everything is not sure. The only sure thing is the market is going up and going down. This is a sure thing. Sometimes we have big trends, sometimes we have big trends going down, sometimes big trends going up. That's it. Okay? Johnny Joven said, generally 10 to 12%, like Bernie Madoff, he offered to the rich people 12%, but if you trade in the trend, could be higher. Yes. Thank you, Johnny. So about 5 or 6 higher than SP. Now, listen. Let's say S&P 500 is down, like in 2008, is down 50%. Are you a trader to do 50% down? Is this trading? So you are not a trader. So you have lost all your money. While the market is going down, it means you are not a good trader. Stop thinking about S&P 500 and Dow Jones. For example, now, take my account, for example. Now I am at 100%. Dow Jones, if you speak about the beginning of the year, let's see the beginning of the year, because I don't know if let's see Dow Jones. Okay, let's see Dow Jones. Let's see the 1st of January. Where is the 1st of January? 2nd January, yes. 2nd January, Dow Jones was 288. You see, guys? Do you understand? The 2nd of January, Dow Jones was 288. How much is today? 274. What does it mean? You are at loss. If you see the performance of Dow Jones is minus something. Now let's see S&P 500. Where is the 2nd of January? 2nd of January, 324. Now, S&P 500 is 334. Okay? So you are making just little money. 24, 34, $10. $10 out of 20, 30, 32. So you are making nearly 3%. 3%. Okay? So guys, let's say if you follow Dow Jones, it makes this year until now, it is making 3% up. But we have made 100%. So you see the difference between Dow Jones and S&P 500 and this benchmark. So a trader should make more money than the indexes. This is for sure. If you make the same, why you trade? If you make, for example, this year 3%, why you are trading? Just buy S&P 500 and that's it. Okay? If you know how to trade, if you don't buy until Dow Jones go down and goes up, you could make now 40% or 30% better than the Dow Jones. Okay? So do not link yourself to the benchmarks. Benchmarks, yes, if you want to know what's going on in the market, it's good. But don't stress you out. It means, and don't see other people what they make. You just stress you out. If someone tells you, oh, I have made 300% this year. Yo, how much you make? 5%? What do you do? Why don't come with me? We buy these stocks and we buy them. Okay? So don't follow these people. Just do what you want to do and try to learn how the market, because the market, you can go to most difficult stocks and you can make higher percentage or you make big losses. You can. Stocks are not the same. I'm telling you always. There are stocks that are volatile that you can make a lot of money, but when you lose, you should lose a lot of money. Okay? Some people, they like that. People who are doing penny stocks, for example. Okay? They are doing that. They like it. They don't like to make 5% a year. They want to make 200, 300% or to lose 50% in this year. They don't care. Even if they have a lot of money, they have 50,000, 100,000. I know some people who are focused only on penny stocks, and they can make a lot of money. But it needs higher techniques. It needs control very much your risk. You need to do stocks that are very difficult to handle. So it's not easy for beginners to do penny stocks. Penny stocks, you should have mastered a lot of techniques and skills. The more you know about these stocks, because penny stocks and IPOs, they are different from the normal stocks. And normal stocks, we have different kinds of stocks. Drugs companies are not like bank companies. Bank companies are not like computer stocks. Insurance is not like banks. Yeah, you see that? So sometimes the industry is going down, like the energy sector. Okay? That's why for me, I will give you an example how I show you. For example, I show you sector indexes. So see, for example, this is what happened in the market. This is the trend. So I check which one is good. So this health sector is better than the first one. You see? So the first one is here. This is the high of this year. This is what is it? 12 February. This is 12 February. Okay. So see where the stock, where the industrial sector, but health sector is here. So it is above. It is doing better. For example, consumer discretionary, it's better. For example, material is the same. So technology is better than the high of the year. See, it's going so fast. Now, if you have bought stocks in XLK, which is technology sector, you would have made more money than other stocks. So let's give you now energy. So energy which is going down. You see, it's going down. And you see, this is the high. That's why I told you energy was bad. But energy was bad before. I told you guys. See, energy was bad before. And I told my students that, guys, if you are energy sector, be careful. It's going down more before this year. It began going down in 9 October 2018. This is where the market for energy begin to go down, and then we have this year collapse. So they are doing so bad. They are doing so bad. You can see that. Okay. Consumer staples is nearly the same. Financial is doing bad also. Okay. So this is how I know where I buy my stocks. Okay? So I'm not stupid to buy stocks that are in a bad sector. I'm not stupid. That's why I have training. Okay? So you see, for example, innovative technology. See a long time. They begin the big trend in 26 May. So in June, July, and beginning of August, you see how much they go. So this innovative technology, if you go to it, its stocks are doing better than the market. So some are doing bad, some doing bad, some are doing good, some are doing good. Okay. Almost all the energy are doing bad. So this is just to give you an idea what's going on. So if you study my training, if you follow me, you will see where I am. You will see what is good, what is bad. That's what I provide in my subscription. Because my subscription, why should someone follow me? Even if you don't buy stocks, you just follow me. The information I give, it is exact information on what's going on and what is expected. Okay? So if you know the information, it means like when you go and there is a mountain and there is a piece where there is gold. So I will just explain this. Maybe I always use gold because I am fan of gold thing. So I know guys, they like gold. So I will just give you this idea. Okay? Now, okay? So let's say this is a mountain. This is the mountain. And if you have a chart of gold, this is the chart. A chart. They show you where is the gold in this mountain. Let's say this gold is here. There is a cave here. You go inside here, you will find gold. Okay? Now, there are people who are here searching. Here, people are searching. People are searching here. Here. People, they go the other side. So all these people here are searching. They are wrong. They buy stocks that go down. It means they go to search, they dig, they dig here, they dig here, no gold. But you know the chart, and it says to you it's here. This is where the gold. So you know where to search. So when you enter with let's say with a metal detector, or just you dig, or you find quartz. Where you find the white quartz, you find here white quartz. Then you find gold. When you find gold, just you dig. You do like mining. You dig, and you are wealthy. So you become rich. And those people, they are poor. All these people, or they come to you and they help you, and you give them little money as for their work. Okay? So this is a trader. A trader, he should know where is the money. Where is the sector? This is the sector where the money is. Because I see the chart. I'm not stupid to go here and dig for 10 years. Dig, there is nothing. I dig here, there is nothing. It means I am wasting my time. The chart simplify your time. It saves you time. And this is what I used to make money for 10 years. Okay? So either you follow me, or you go and you sleep, and someone will show you the chart which stock to buy. So this is the good thing. Okay? Now let's continue. Johnny Jovan said the teacher mentioned how to see how some sectors or stocks outperform the index is one of the videos because variable changes. Yes, Johnny Jovan. Yes, this is called training level 3. How to search for stocks using industry index. You can go and you find an industry and you can find stocks. Johnny Giovanni said, it seems to me that every few months there is a fear, worry, pandemic in the world causing stocks to go down, and there are opportunities to add and buy strong companies. Now, you should follow the things, you should, but this has nothing to do with fear. It's just the big guys play with the market. Why we? I have explained last week or the other week. Why all the bad news in the earth? Why America has the worst news, and we are the first in the world in terms of deaths, in terms of cases, and our market is doing good? Can you tell me? Can you tell me why? It has nothing to do with fear or something. People, they fear. They're putting masks and they are having a distance to their people, to their friends. They don't come together. They don't go hiking together. They don't go together in some places, cafes, and in all where the people are met. People are worrying. But why the market is going up? You see that? The stock market has nothing to do with the economy or what's going on. The market is the trader who changes, not the economy. Johnny Jovan said, everything I use for trading is a tax deduction for me, like my new computer, iPad, internet, cell phone, and his courses, personal live session. Yes, you can claim all this itemization, especially if you put yourself as a trader. You should ask your CPA. It means the person who does your I have spoken about one time about this. Who does your taxes, and you can tell him, I want to open a broker account as a trader, as a business. So there is just a formula paper that you should fill, and they give you account about that, and then anything that you use, even if you travel and you have a seminar with a trader, or you have a meeting with the traders, or you are doing something, all these expenses you can put as expenses. It means if in the year you have 100,000, you have made $70,000 or 80,000, whatever. So if you take a lot of itemization, it means that your tax will be about 10,000. You make tax on them, and the 60,000, 50,000, it will be in your pocket because of this itemization. Okay? So understand, this is a good thing if you have a business account as a trader. But I don't know if you can use it for other things. You can ask your CPA, who can give you more information. Rahmatullah said BNTX. Let's see BNTX. So BNTX. Now listen here. We have seen this as the stock, for example, was 30. It goes to 105. This is around 300 and something. Then it collapsed because this is because of the news. The news, it's not a trend. This is a speculation. People, they speculate about something and it happens. Now, the good thing that I am following is this. This is a trend. For example, let's say from 50, it goes to 104. This is a 100% from following the trend. Okay, this is following the trend. But this is speculation here. This is speculation. Or it is day trading, and this is swing trading. Okay, you can do day trading here and here and here because here you sell short, for example. Here you sell short. It's like this. Thank you very much for giving me this stock. Now, SWS Corodio, he say it's timing the market. Now, timing the market, it doesn't mean you will be exactly for the beginning to the end. This is impossible. Some people succeed, but they are lucky because they have a long experience. But for you to make money, don't think about to be correct 100%. It is not. Now the trend is, for example, for Apple. The trend is, for example, 5 months. It doesn't matter where you buy. It means wherever you buy, you make money. It's better to be with the beginners, where with the first guys who bought, yes, because if you buy as the first, it means your techniques are superior than the people who come later. But understand that the trend could stay 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 7 months, 8 months. And for me, this year, we have big trends in the market. We have stayed 4 or 5 or 6 months from 23rd of March. So we have April, May, June, July, 4 months, and we enter August. So like 4 months and a half. 4 months we have been on a lot of stocks, and I don't sell them. I don't sell them. There are few who I sell them because they don't do good. Yes, because this is part of the game. You should not hold a stock that doesn't give you money, so you should sell it. But the good ones stays, and this is what I do. But as I told you, timing the market, you should not think about exactly the first day, the last day. No, it's not. It's not. We don't mean by that. We mean that just you be with the trend. That's why in the a proverb it says, you should always be, the trend should always be your friend. If you are with the trend, you will be making a lot of money because you are with the majority of traders. You should never be against the traders because they crush you. If the stock is going up, buy long. If they begin to sell short, either you sell short or you exit. If you don't want to do what they do, you just watch. Don't do it because you don't know, because you are scared. Don't do it. No one asks you to trade. But you should never be against. Should never be against the market. The market will crush you. It will punish you. But if you are correct, it will reward you. This is always. It always happen. Sometimes you only buy a stock at random. But you stay 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, you see the stock going up. It means you have, by chance, by luck, you have found a stock. But this technique, it is not worth it. It's not you make money this year like this in one stock. You would do it again. It doesn't work. Because you don't have strategy. Okay? Top Series said, your thoughts on CLSK. Okay, CLSK. Let's see. Okay. Now, as you can see, okay? Please check that this stock in the past, it was $79.50. Now it is $9. It means that this company is collapsing. And it is an IPO. An IPO, it means it is a new company in the stock market. Now, as you can see, this week's the market is doing good, but it can collapse at any time. And this, what you see here, this is manipulation. Now, this is a good trend. This is not manipulation. This is not manipulation. This is a good trend. But this here is a manipulation. This is a manipulation. This is a manipulation. It means some people are buying, pushing, and they see if the other people are coming. But the people, they don't come. Okay? So you see 1, you see 2, you see 3, you see 4. And then from here, the thing goes up. It means people, they begin to know. But understand that the stock was only $2. Now it is $9. It is nearly 450%. So the stock can continue, but it can collapse at any time. Okay? Johnny Jovan said, a genius person is not a person who knows everything. It's a person who can do the things he knows. Yes, you are right, Johnny. It means in trading, you should bet on stocks. You should have a strategy that you understand. You know what you are doing. This is the most important thing. But don't tell me I know. Okay? Because I have some students, they have the bad idea. And I'm always trying to teach them the right thing. Do not say I know that tomorrow the stock will go up, that tomorrow we have a gap up, that the news will be good. Do not tell that, because you understand in your heart and in your brain that it is not true. Because if you know and it is true, why don't you sell your house, your car, your girlfriend, your kids, sell everything? Put the money there, and then you become a millionaire in 1 day or 2, and then you become a billionaire in 1 month. You will become billionaire if you know the future. Someone is my student. He just begin to. I say to him, if you tell me next time that you know that tomorrow will be good, please, unsubscribe from a subscription and go away. Go do your stuff by yourself. Don't tell me you are my student. You are not my student. I am teaching you the best practice in trading. In trading, there is no sure thing. Never go to earnings and you say, oh, tomorrow it will have gone up because that guy said that the company has made money. But earnings has nothing to do with money. It has to do with analysts and with the company, what it announced. Sometimes the company announces good earnings, but the traders, they short it because they have another opinion. So please stop doing the same mistakes because you get tired in the future. Okay? You will get okay. Magthira said, I like your style of teaching. Come Monday, I will join your programs. Have a good night. Thank you very much, Magthira. LJ Brand 500, please briefly tell us a little bit about yourself, your backgrounds in business, academics, and thanks. Karim, it's the first instructor. Thank you very much. Now, Brand T500, about me, I was a teacher of English before. I was overseas. I was not born here. And I come to America, I do some jobs, like this. And then I discovered trading. Now, the first year, I lost all my money trying. It was a disaster. Although I make some money, and then I stopped trading. I began to read books. And then I begin to apply and putting my rules. In 2011, I began to see the money. I began with 18,000. I took it to 60,000 6 months. And from then 2011, I was successful until now. After 3 or 4 years, I was teaching only people, one-to-one. I don't have training online. So a lot of students, they say, instead of teaching one-to-one, why you don't have training available online? People, they come and they join. So I made it. And then my students, they ask me, okay, you are always teaching, you are always having training, but why you don't have a real account and you show us how to trade and you show us the techniques? So I began last year and this year, and we are successful. And all what I know, I show. All the information I know, I tell my students, and that's why I am here. Okay? Yes. No. Saba, thank you very much, Saba. Say, do not upset the teacher. No. The questions. It's good to ask questions because they don't know me. Sometimes they are new. Sometimes they don't follow my channel for a long time, so they don't know. So when the people, they see why I buy a stock, what is my strategies, they become more confident in themselves. They do it the same. Because for me, the main thing is to be an independent trader. You take my strategies, you apply them, you begin to make money, and then you go. You don't need me anymore. Now, there are a lot of people who are my friends. They still send me their stocks, their good stocks, their bad stocks, funny things about what did happen to them. So we are like friends. We are like community of friends, and we share things. And they told me if they find some new thing, they told me if they follow what I am doing. If I have a new strategy, a new technique, I communicate with them. It means we form a community, but community for people who want to work. I don't have the lazy people here. The lazy people or the get rich scheme or penny stocks that today you have 1,000, tomorrow you will have 100,000, 1 million. No, these people, they don't come to me. That's why my channel is very small and my students are very small. I have students all over the world, but most of the time, those people, they want to learn real trading and how things work. But and I show them everything. If I show them the extremes, the very difficult trades, if they want to make a lot of money, I show them. But I say it's risky. You risk a lot of money. They say yes. Okay, just go. Just do this and this, and if you succeed, you will have a lot of money. Okay, but understand that for me, the most important thing that you should think of is to preserve your money. This is your first job. It's not just you go to very risky trades, or you put all your money into an earnings date tomorrow, and you don't know what will happen. This is crazy. If you have 100,000 and the stock have a gap down of 50% or 60%, you lose all your money that you have made through the years. This is stupid. That's why I asked, be reasonable. Do not be greedy in the market. Be reasonable. You are making money each year? That's great. But to believe that you have $1,000 and next year you will be a millionaire and no, it's not like that. That's why a lot of people, when they don't find these dreams, they leave my channel. And for me, I am okay with that, because I don't want these guys who are most of these guys are new. They are young. They are young and they want money very, very quick. Anything that it is very quick. I say I'm not doing fast food here. I'm not doing fast food. You should go to McDonald's. You do fast food. Johnny Joven said, who is upsetting him? He is learning from us and I am learning from him. Yes. Being in the zone. Yes. It means that you should always think wisely. Your money, your hard-earning money, you should preserve your money. You should trade. Your trading, when you are good, it should be better than investing. You can invest in some stocks, yes. You can divide you can make 2 accounts. I always ask that my students have 2 accounts. One, they put some money for their retirement. Just buy stocks that you know that are good. Just put, and each month you put money. And trading, living for your experiment. Because investing is for 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, 40 years. You will have 200, half a million after 20 years or 30 years or 40 years. When you have 500,000 or 1 million, or especially those people who have good jobs. I know some of my students, they make a lot of money. I say, man, you should divide your money. Put some in investment and leave it. You have dividend. You have dividend and you are making money from investment, but it goes slow, yes. But it is a sure thing because it is for the long run. And you are putting money. Your account is 50,000. Next year it is 60,000. The market is good. It goes to 70, 80, 90. And then next year you put more money, 200, 300, 400, 1 million, 2 million. There are some people, some of my students who have a lot of money investing and trading. Trading, you always trade whatever you like. It's something that you like. It's something that you like to do. Okay? So this is something very, very good. That's why I like trading. That's why I like searching for stocks. I like stocks that go into a trend. It's a pleasure for me to see the stocks that I bought, especially in the trading account. When my students, they see the stocks that I bought for 5 months or 4 months or 3 months going up, they can make money. They say, yes, Karim, your strategies work. Even I have students from India, from Africa, from England, from Europe, from Brazil, from Australia, from Hong Kong. They are friends with me right now. So because it's from 2013, 14, 15, 16. It's a long time. They know my strategies and they are working with that. So they are becoming traders. It means they know what's going on. They know what's going on in their market. Sometimes when someone in India, he asks me, oh, Karim, what do you think about my market? What's going on? Should I sell short? Should I go long? I check and they say, okay, your market is going good and it is strong. Just go long. So he will search stocks according to my strategies. We find stocks, he make money. And some people, they don't believe. They don't believe because they think that all the people online are the same. Yes, there are some people they have never traded in their life. Yes, true. And they teach. And they have students. They teach, but they have never traded. But, they will know. Students, after 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, they know that this teacher has never traded before they discover that he does big mistakes. Okay? They do big mistakes. That's why you see them. For me, I don't care that much about other people. For me, I'm trying just to learn, to teach people how I do it. I put a trading account. They see it. I am making money. They saw my stocks. When exactly I bought them, I put a video. So it means it's not a lie. It means it's not I show you my trading account today and they say I bought the stock three months ago. And they say, see it? I make a... No, it's not like this. Any stock I bought today, I show it to them. I say, guys, I have bought this stock today. Check it. Now, why I bought it? I bought it according to our rules. See the rules here and here and there. Now, what do you expect? I expect a trend. But if the trend doesn't come, I sell it. I say, guys, I have sold this stock. They say, why? It's just because of this. I follow the rules. You say, yes, you follow the rules. Because for me, it is about rules. If you don't follow rules, you can't be a trader. Okay? It's not you buy today, tomorrow it goes 2%, you sell it and you say, oh, I have money. I say, man, go away. You are not following my strategies. You are just playing your own tricks. Okay? Makthira said, how will you trade when a second COVID wave hit the stock market? What do you mean when it hits the stock market? When it hit the stock market is going down, I sell short. What's the problem? Hey, Magthira, I don't care what happened in the market. If the market is going down, we sell short and we buy puts. That's it. And we make money. From a second wave or third wave I don't care about these waves. I don't care what happened in the market. The main thing is to know where the market is heading. Is it going south, like going down, or is it going north? That is the main thing you should understand, the Thera. This is the most important thing. Don't worry a lot about COVID-19, what it got. Well, we are in 4 months and a half. The stock market is good. If you didn't buy like 4 months ago, you are buying now, maybe the market will fall, maybe. So we sell all our stocks and we go selling short, and we make more money later. That's it. So what's the problem? Well, you should not be scared of the market. The market is going down, sell short or buy puts. If you are scared at all, you don't know what to do, just sell your stocks and watch. Watch until the market redresses. Johnny Giovanni, I bet who says there is a second wave, if there is a gap down, he will sell everything. It's the trend, my friend. Yes. Now, even if we have a gap down, it is not that all the stocks will have a gap down. Some stocks go down a little bit. One is a gap down because of earning news. But it's okay. It's okay. If the market is against you, you should exit. Are you going to face the market? The market is going down and you said no, the market will go up. No, this is a stupid idea from a trader, and you will pay. Because the market punishes the stubborn. If you are a stubborn trader, you don't understand what's going on in the market, because the market shows you what's going on. He shows you. He gives you the indications. He says to you, okay, I am going down. Be careful. Either you exit or you sell short. You say, no, I am long and I don't care. And then day after day, the stock market is going down. You wait until 50% of your money is gone. And then you begin crying, and what should I do? But that's why some people, they send me emails. What should I do? I lost 70% of my money. What should I do? I say, why you don't come to me before? Why you wait for the stock until this? How are you trading? If you do some months in subscription, you will understand everything and you will trade better than to lose 50%. You are now up 20% or 30%. You are making money right now. But the people, they don't want to pay for their education, and this is a problem. And they say, oh, everything is free online. I just go to this. Okay, just go wherever you want. Because people, anyone can take a microphone and he takes a camera and he shows you how to trade stocks. Anyone. Okay? People, they pretend and, they do whatever they want. Okay, guys, it's 2 hours, 5 minutes, and I don't expect to do 2 hours today. I thought it was 1 hour. Magthira said, do you think it will have a change on the market on November when Trump goes or stays? But listen. Why you are predicting the market? In my strategies, you should not predict the market. You should not say tomorrow it will go up or it will go down. It doesn't matter. And who tells you that you stay until Trump? Maybe you die, I die, you die, or everybody die, or Trump dies, or whoever dies. So who tells you that you stay to November? Who? Don't tell me I know that you live there. Okay, if you know, you don't need to watch any videos, so you know everything. So Magthira, do not predict. My strategies have no prediction. You trade according to what you see. That's why we see the chart. The chart doesn't show us tomorrow. When you are in tomorrow, it shows us tomorrow what will happen. So why I worry? Today, what is it today? Sunday. When I go to sleep, I go sleep happily. I don't worry about anything. Why should I worry about tomorrow? When I am alive tomorrow, I see the market. If it goes down, and I have to sell my stocks because they go down, I don't like that, I sell them. If I want to sell short, I sell short. If I want to exit and watch, I watch. So what's the problem? Why you are predicting to November? We are in August. Think about now. Because you don't think about the future, that you will never know how it happened. Elections or not elections, I don't know what will happen. If you tell me tomorrow, what do you think? I say I don't know. And I don't want to know tomorrow what will happen. Because if I know, I'm a billionaire right now. I don't. That is the truth. If someone tells you tomorrow, I know, he is a big liar. Because if you see his situation, if he is not the richest man on earth, he has all the billions of the world. Yes, you can convince yourself that he is. But he doesn't know. Maybe in the morning he is taken to the hospital. He has COVID-19. So how he knows about the market? Okay. So Magthira, thank you very much. I know you are new here, but understand that we don't do predictions. We work from the chart. We see stocks. We search for stocks. And we buy them. If they go good, we hold them. If they go bad, we sell them, and we have a small loss. This is kind of probabilities that we are using, and we are successful with that. This is what we do. Okay? Johnny, I will give you my prediction. Trump will win again. I feel it, but this is speculation. Now, listen. If he give people and businesses a lot of money, they will vote for him next time. Believe me, because no one in history has given us money. So if now in September, October, he give businesses a lot of money, they will be happy to vote for him and to push him ahead. Yes, and the other people, democratic people, they are thinking to take money. It means they don't give money. No one will vote with them. Because the people, they like someone who help directly. This year, almost all the businesses, all the people, they get money from the government. It has never happened before. So, for example, Republican, they might win again because of the money they give. Yes, maybe. But for us, Democratic, Republican, for me is the same. I don't care about what they do. So they don't, well, whatever. Probably in Vegas, bet I will do it. Yes, maybe. If there is a lottery ticket about Trump or Joe Biden or whatever, maybe. But it's just prediction. Prediction is just it's not based on real facts. When I tell you, if Trump, this is a fact. If he give a lot of money to the people, he give a lot of money to the businesses, maybe he will win. Because people, they will happy. Because they say if we vote on Democratic, he will not give us money. I have never seen money from Democratic people. So why should I vote for them? Because people, they see who helps them. They don't see the ideas and this party is better than the other party. No, they don't see that. People, they see what I get from this party. Who cares? Except those who are Democratic or Republican. They believe in the ideas. For me, for example, I don't believe in them. I don't believe in what they do. If they do good, it is good. If they do bad, it is bad. That's it. I don't care. I don't care what they do. I am not in politics, and I am not making money from politics. I am making money from the market. I don't care about them. Okay? Wise men say, I don't see protesters vote for him. Now, we don't know. So for me, I'm not worried. I'm not worried about... I'm not worried about what will happen, because he is not the man who gives me my paycheck. Understand that. This is politics. Politics, they fight against each other to have positions in politics, and they can make money. They can do a lot of stuff with their positions. But for us, we are just normal people. If Trump or Obama or something, what is for me? For me, I think about me. What can I get? But if I don't get nothing from them, so both of them are the same. Johnny Jovinson, yes. God bless you. You have a good night. Thank you very much, guys. So I have to finish this. Thank you very much.